Alright, so now that we've learned how to multiply polynomials, we'll talk about special products. Here we have this special product when you have a plus b times a minus b. So a plus b times a minus b is going to equal a squared minus b squared. And I'm just going to go through and show you. So I'm just going to go through and show you how we get that. So if we were to multiply it all the way out, you say a plus b times a minus b. You want to go ahead and multiply the first one, a times a, that will be a squared, plus a times minus b, that will be a minus ab. Then you multiply b times a, that will be plus positive b, ab, well ba, but you want to put in alphabetical order of ab. And then b times minus b, that will be minus positive times negative is minus, right? So minus b squared. After you distribute it, you want to go ahead and add your like terms. So we have minus ab and plus ab. And that will be negative 1ab plus a positive 1ab. So negative 1 plus 1, that's 0. So that cancels out. And that's gone. So we end up with our final product being a squared minus b squared, being all that's left. So a plus b times a minus b for any polynomial is going to always be a squared minus b squared. So let's do some examples so you see what I'm talking about. So go ahead and take some time and write this identity out. A plus b times a minus b equals a squared plus b squared. So alright, so let's go ahead and do some examples. So we have x plus 6 times x minus 6. So x plus 6 times x minus 6 will equal my first term, x squared, minus my second term, b squared. Because we have the same terms, now all we have to do is just use the product. So we don't even have to multiply it out. We can just remember it. So it'll be equal to x squared plus 6 squared, which will just end up being x squared. So my final answer will be x squared minus 6 squared is 36. Let's do the second example. X plus 11 times x minus 11. So x plus 11 times x minus 11 will be x, my first term, x squared, minus my second term, which is 11. So x squared minus 11 squared. So I get x squared minus, my final answer will be x squared minus 11 squared is 121. What if you have a number in front of your x? Well, all you have to do is square that number, okay? So 3x plus 8 times 3x minus 8. You would square 3 squared, or 3 times 3 is 9. So it will end up being 3x squared minus my second number, 8 squared. So 3x squared, that will be 9x squared minus 8 squared, which is 64. So this will be my final answer. Yes.